struggling with messy cuts, hard-to-measure angles, or slow DIY projects? Stop wasting time. I've got 14 must-have tools that will make every woodworking, home, and DIY task faster, safer, and way easier. From clever measuring gadgets to precision cutting tools, these are the tools every handyman needs. Stick around, especially for number 14. It's a total game changer you won't believe. Looking for a simple way to find studs? Meet the Kreg KMM 1000 Magnetic Stud Finder. This handy tool uses 2 strong magnets to locate screws, nails, and both wood and metal studs. No batteries needed. Its precision notches and built-in bubble level make hanging shelves, cabinets, or frames a breeze. Lightweight, portable, and durable, it stays hands-free on walls while you work. Perfect for any DIYer or woodworker, Kreg helps you get the job done right. Upgrade your toolkit with the KMM 1000 and make every project easier and more accurate. Tired of stubborn stickers, paint, or grease? The REXBETI razor blade scraper tool makes cleaning a breeze. This 2-pack set comes with 30 metal and 50 plastic blades, perfect for every surface, from cooktops and glass to wooden tiles. Quick change blades and a 3-position retractable design make it safe and easy to use. Durable, portable, and ready for any DIY task. This scraper set is a must-have for every home. Clean smarter, not harder, with REXBETI. The JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge is here to make your life easier. This tool comes in 5-inch and 10-inch sizes, which can be spliced together to create a 15-inch gauge, perfect for small, medium, or large objects. It's perfect for DIY projects, woodworking, tile flooring, carpet cutting, wallpapering, wall paneling, and more. The double-sided scale in inches and centimeters and thin 0.05-inch blades ensure precise measurements, while the blade tightness can be adjusted for accuracy. Using it is simple. Just press the gauge onto the shape, lock it, and transfer the outline onto your material. Odd corners, curves, or unusual angles? No problem. It also makes a unique gift idea for birthdays, Father's Day, or holidays. With JOREST, every project becomes precise, fast, and easy. When it comes to table saw safety, the right push stick makes all the difference. Meet the BOW Products Mini PushPRO PP2, a smarter, safer, and more effective push stick for woodworking. Unlike traditional plastic push sticks, the PushPRO Mini uses a high-density EVA tip that conforms to the wood, reduces vibration, and gives you smoother, cleaner cuts. The EVA tip won't mar or dent softwoods and provides excellent grip for greater feed control. Worried about accidental blade contact? No problem. Meet the Saker Mini Chainsaw, a compact cordless chainsaw designed for convenience and safety. Powered by a 20V rechargeable lithium battery and a pure copper motor, this mini saw delivers strong cutting power with higher efficiency and longer life. The high-quality quenched guide chain ensures smooth, precise cuts every time. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, it's easy to control with one hand. Setup takes just 1 minute. Then you're ready to prune branches, cut firewood, or tackle any yard project. Stay protected and organized with the heavy-duty waxed canvas woodworking apron. Made from 20 ounces durable canvas with double stitching. This apron features 9 tool pockets for everything you need: pins, phone, hammer, or small tools. A magnetic patch holds nails and screws, and pocket flaps keep sawdust out. The adjustable X-back straps with padded shoulders prevent neck strain. Packed in a gift box, meet the Bosch UniversalCut 18V65, the cordless saw designed for fast, precise, and effortless cutting. Thanks to nanoblade technology, you'll enjoy vibration-free sawing and maintenance-free blades for smooth performance every time. Perfect for freehand cutting or plunge cuts, this tool handles wood and plastics with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, even on bigger projects. Part of the Power for All 18V system, one battery works with over 150 products across multiple brands, giving you ultimate flexibility. With Bosch, cutting has never been this easy, versatile, and efficient. Take your woodworking to the next level with the Arc Grooving Auxiliary Tool, a precision guide designed for flawless round corner grooves. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it's durable, wear-resistant, and built to last. Its precision positioning system ensures every cut is accurate, eliminating errors and boosting efficiency. Meet the Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler, a versatile tool that makes woodworking faster, easier, and more precise. Perfect for drilling, marking, and measuring, this tool works great for installing handles, building cabinets. The built-in dual-axis bubble levels help you keep perfect alignment, both horizontally and vertically. Introducing the Saker Multifunction Foldable Level, a smart, space-saving tool designed for accuracy and convenience. This 28-inch folding level transforms from a compact block for storage into a full-size ruler for precise leveling. Perfect for hanging pictures, installing shelves, tiling, or construction projects, it adapts to any job. With 4 clear blue acrylic vials and 0.5 mm per m accuracy, you'll always get spot-on measurements. Its multi-angle design makes it easy to level around corners, stairs, and pipes. Built from high-quality aluminum with ABS connectors and TPR end caps, it's durable, lightweight, and built to last. Upgrade your toolkit with the TOLESA 36 PCS Titanium Oscillating Tool Blades Kit, engineered for precision, durability, and versatility. Featuring triple ground Japanese teeth and an innovative curved tech design, these blades deliver smoother, faster, and cleaner cuts with less vibration. Cut through wood, metal, screws. Say goodbye to tape measures and pencils with the REEKON M1 caliber measuring tool. This innovative tool clamps to almost any saw fence and displays precise measurements on a large, backlit LCD screen. Cut stock materials up to 3 times faster while improving accuracy and safety. Compatible with most miter, chop, cut-off, and vertical band saws, it handles boards, composites, and pipes, making miter, bevel, and straight cuts effortless. Quick to set up, just clamp, input blade thickness, and start cutting. Ideal for woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, the M1 caliber revolutionizes measuring and cutting in your workshop. Meet the LoggerHead 8-inch Bionic Grip Adjustable Wrench, the ultimate tool for any DIYer or handyman. Its Bionic grip combines the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the simplicity of pliers, letting you grip pipes, fasteners, and fittings from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch instantly. No knobs or complicated adjustments, just a one-handed squeeze for fast, efficient ratcheting. The ergonomic cushion handles fit all hand sizes, and its universal design works in any orientation. Made in America from hardened steel laminate with a black oxide finish, it's durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Perfect as a gift for dads, husbands, or DIY enthusiasts. Bring your woodworking projects to life with the 5 PCS HSS wood carving tool set. Perfect for DIY crafts, wood carving, root carving, modeling, and microsculpture. These bits help you create intricate details with precision. Made from high-speed steel, they're durable, sharp, and resistant to wear and corrosion. The tricuspid design ensures accurate centering, fast chip removal, and smooth finishes without damaging the wood.